Well, good morning. It is 10:45 a.m. on August 30th, and I am headed into town on the e-bike. Not much to talk about, but I thought you might enjoy a nice little ride on a beautiful day. I'll warn you that when you see areas of the picture that look like it's a dirty lens, it's not. It's this wide-angle special lens. You pay for the stability with some what they call lens flare. So that's what you're seeing. You'll have to live with it. I thought it was this dirty lens ages ago, to the point where I even returned the lens and got a new one and discovered it's not a dirty lens, it's lens flare. Not perfect. Now I have a different camera, more expensive, that doesn't have lens flare, but this is just way more convenient. So we're living with the occasional lens flare. And sometimes, like the last one I did, it was kind of an overcast day, and sometimes that tends to be a little worse. I think refraction from the clouds or something. I don't know. We'll see how this one is. But don't worry. If you're seeing imperfections, it's not because I'm too lazy to clean the lens. I did a thoroughly cleaning this lens. I do every time. So we're doing our back roads into, for those of you new with me, we're in Eagle Nest, New Mexico. It's the 30th of August, 2024, and Eagle Nest has become my summer home. I'm here for a couple of more weeks. And we're getting close into town here. There's the elementary and middle school on the left there. School's back in session. Today's Friday. It's in the morning, so there are kids in there studying and such. We're going to head to the other side of town, which is where Golden Eagle RV Park is. And we're going to show you that RV park. They have a little like kind of farmer market sort of thing going on, and Deborah Dickinson and Frugal RV Gal will be there. And I know they made it today because I saw them drive by about 9:30 this morning. You might notice on quite a few videos I've visited and talked about this 1 acre, $50,000 piece of land with utilities that's right near here with amazing views and a short walk into the village here. It's just a fantasy. I don't want to buy a property and build a house or anything, but the fantasy came to an end when I called the real estate agent yesterday, just because I couldn't stand not knowing. So I called and said, have you sold that? And they said, as a matter of fact, we sold it this week and we're closing on it. I think they're closing on it today. So it'll no longer be on the market. There's a house that I've mentioned a couple of times, a guy's building by himself that it had a for sale sign on. No more though. He sold that. And here we are in the middle of the village. One of my favorite villages, Eagle Nest. And if you're wondering where Eagle Nest is, it's, if you've heard of Taos, New Mexico, and as the crow flies, Taos is about 19 miles. If you were a crow, you could be there in pretty quick, but if you're a car, you'd have to go through a mountain pass. It's a little slow going. But And and if you were a crow and you went due north and you flapped your wings for about 28 miles, you would find yourself in Colorado. And a lot of people think this part of the country right here in New Mexico is just like Colorado without the crowds and the prices. And I can endorse that. Can endorse that idea. We're going to slide right down here to Golden RV, Golden Eagle RV Resort. My buddy Nathan, he and his wife own this place. His father and his mother own the kitchen shop in town here. If you're interested, there's a video where I interview his father, who has great stories about the area. You know, and you can see this RV park here. It says, boy, it looks packed and very close. And that is not a complaint people that stay here have at all. People love it here. People come back every year, stay for the season. It's there's people have quite the social life here.
Oh, I know him. Hey, hold on, don't cry. No, Art? Yeah, where'd they go?
Oh,
Where did Brian? That way. They went down that way? Yeah. Down the. To meet somebody. Okay, come catch up. Go up to that couple walking the dog and say, Brian, I hear you're a friend of Bill's.
so you might notice as I go through here, these spaces in this RV park seem pretty tight. And it looks like that could be a problem. But let me tell you this. I have met many people that go to this RV park and come and return every year, and it's not an issue. People love the sense of community and the people that are here. It's filled with people that come every single year, many of which stay the whole summer. And look at everything that's going on here just on a Friday. It's they have movie nights, they have music. There's all kinds of things that go on here. But I'm not Sammy-less.
No.
Hi, Sammy. Sammy, where's Bandit? There's Bandit. Here, let's go around here.
Hi there. How are you? I'm good.
Hi, Sammy.
Sammy, come here.
Hi, Bandit. Hi, Bando. Hi,
Do
Bando.
you want Sammy?
Hi, Bandit.
I am.
Hi, Bando.
What is your name?
Bando.
Interesting story. Set of stories. I do. I do. This will be off.
And here is the office and the store. And all sorts of things that you can get in here. including RV supplies. And if you don't see it here, you ask Nathan, and he probably has it in the back somewhere. That's been my experience. And over here, there's a restaurant area. It hasn't been operating this year, but I understand they've got like cookies and danishes, but the restaurant itself, I think they may have something in the works for next year. But this is what the restaurant part looks like. But certainly the pastries are available, and coffee.
They're like, I haven't seen a load.
And these characters I seem to run into everywhere I go. The father and daughter team with the carvings and the jewelry and the baked goods, right?
Carvings.
I thought you did carvings.
Pottery.
Pottery.
Looks like
Pottery.
our
I was close. It was in the neighborhood.
Yeah.
Where's your stand? Oh, there
Right here.
there we are.
Standing next to our stand.
Hey,
Is that a GoPro?
it's a GoPro. Yeah,
How do you like that?
I love it. I love it. It's so easy and convenient. I don't even think about it. I hang around my neck and I walk around and I've got a video.
Nice.
Now, does it do sound too?
Yeah, and actually pretty clear sound. I mean, I can attach fancy stuff to it, but I don't bother anymore. I just let the microphone pick it up, and
That was kind of like my GoPro as well. They have pretty good, decent sound.
That's about 300 or 400.
Yeah, but what I do is I figure out which the most recent one is, and then I do two back, and I buy that.
Yeah.
That's what I
hear
do.
you.
Yeah, so save some money. So this is the 11, I think, and it's you probably get it for a couple $100.
Yeah. Well, see, that's pretty.
Yeah, you lost.
Do you see my
GoPro.
camera?
I did not. I
You
still
did.
got it.
You still got it? Where is it?
It's in
Uh-huh.
Arkansas.
Uh-huh. You see yourself?
Can you see yourself? You're on YouTube. You're a star.
Hey, you can interview him now. He was very disappointed when I showed him the video and that
I
he
didn't
wasn't
have
there
any-
for the interview.
But he wasn't there when I
Yeah.
did
Oh,
that.
yes,
You weren't
I
there.
was-
You were absent.
I was gallivanting around somewhere.
Well, I'm almost out of battery because I've been on my e-bike coming all the way up here.
Man, we'll take it easy, brother.
Yeah, take it easy.
All right. Don't take it wooden nickels.
Is that your car right there?
This one right here with a tire on top.
Yeah.
Yeah, I couldn't. That tire just jumped up there.
Because I thought I saw that car in front of me the other day in Eagle Nest when I was on my bike.
Were you the guy that was bumping my bumper?
Not quite, but
Oh,
I think I might have passed you
oh,
though.
you might have. Yeah, yeah. Because I'm
And there's Deborah selling books as usual. Look at her go.
This one, there's 9 stories in here.
Hi guys.
When I started noticing.
Sammy, did you get in there too? You guys are both in here?
Yeah. They asked me what skill do you want to keep, and I said, well, I want to.
Sammy, this isn't like, I'm surprised it doesn't seem to be your thing. You're more of a chair dog.
She said, we're going to take out a book. So
You're more of a chair dog, Sammy.
first one, and it's 9.
Bando. Wondering, so where's Dottie? That's what you're wondering. Dottie's at home.
Wow.
All right.
Incredible. And then lastly, this one is the human population. It's written from the
So, guys, I promised you a ride on the bike,
and
a glimpse of Deborah and Frugal, and a little tour of the RV park. Links are in the description. Thank you.